So quick video here, guys. We have a Whirlpool French door refrigerator. We're checking the thermistor here. And the issue with this fridge, it was icing up. And you also want to check the heater, the bimetal. Bimetal is being checked. We heat the bimetal up, and when it turns off, it's good. That's good. And we also check the heater for continuity. And last, we're checking the board. As you can see, we are connected to power coming out of the refrigerator, and we're now putting the fridge in diagnostic, checking for power, so this fridge is fixed. Make sure you defrost the unit, and if you're having this issue, just replace the board or replace the relay on the board if you're able to. All right, thanks for watching.